is up, everyone? Welcome back to the Crypto Blitz, your home for your crypto fix. I'm your host, Triple Van Winkle. Hopefully, everyone's having an amazing day. I'm still sick. I'm under the weather. I'm sure you can hear it in me, but the show must go on. I do apologize. I was going to do the live stream last night all the way up until about 3 p.m. And then this thing just hit me like a brick, a sack of potatoes. I was knocked out. I was on the couch trying to watch the Knicks games, trying to get the dog for a walk. It was a struggle. But you know what? The bull run can fix it all because I'll forget about everything that's going on inside this body right now, and we will concentrate on this beautiful, beautiful price action. In this video, we're going over Bitcoin. We're looking at the Bitcoin chart. We're going to go over an article titled XRP Bullseye Breakout as the charts tighten near key levels. And to top it all off, the icing on the cake, XRP's hidden agenda just leaked. David Schwartz has finally spoken out, and I got you covered. Folks, if you were new to the channel, please make sure you hit that follow and like button. It helps me out in the YouTube algorithms, and it's free. If you were looking to become a member of the fan club, it's $4.99 a month. It gets you ad-free YouTube videos. That's 2 times a day, pretty much every day throughout the month. Plus, you get bonus content when we put it on out there. And you can kiss Google ads goodbye once and for all. It's at the bottom of every single video. It says join. You click it, and during the live streams, you get top tier access because your chat messages, they stand out. So when we have 1, 2, 3,000 people, which we usually get in the live streams, and it's just going to keep ramping up, and you're trying to get a question across, or you want to know my opinion, you want to talk about a different crypto, and well, it kind of gets tough to see stuff because we got a TikTok chat, a YouTube chat, we got the Twitter chat, we got it all going into one chat system, so it's hard to see it, but you will stand out. It is well worth the price of admission. Without further ado, let's get into it. Total cryptocurrency market cap back above 3 trillion. Bitcoin coming in at 99,658. We touched 100K overnight. Woke up to it. It was a beautiful thing to see. Are we going to go back up there? I believe so. Why wouldn't we, right? Up 3.68% in the past 7 days. Ethereum about to get back to 2K. It's up over 5.77% in the past week or so. XRP, I don't even know it's down on the 7-day. It's showing some life on the 24-hour, baby. It's up 3.32%, coming in at $2.21. Where are we going from here? We're going a lot higher. But remember, 100K to get by it is going to be a little bit of a pain in the butt. Will we break through 100%? Are we going to do it on the first attempt? Yeah, probably not. But I would expect we get between like 100 and 104. We kind of flutter around in there. And the next major next major level to keep your eye on is 108 when we make a new time high. Once the new all-time high is broken. Remember, I told you May, June fireworks. Well, we're only 8 days into May and we're getting fireworks. Then it is go time. Woke up this morning. Another beautiful winning trade. That's right, 72% on C98. The trading group is free, everyone. Why aren't you in it? There's only, I think, like 100 people in the group. Every day, you get trades that are put out like this. You get market analysis, so you can see the Bitcoin chart. It tells you support, resistance. You get Ethereum, Solana. You get all the charts. And it's all free. All you got to do is come over to rupplevanwinkle.com, listen to this minute video, how to get in from zero to hero. Fearless trades, massive gains. There's my link. With the exchange that we use BuyFi. That's my exchange partner. It is very simple. You click the link, you put $100 of any crypto onto the exchange to get access into the group. You can then use it $100 to buy crypto if you want, take a loan, do whatever you want with the crypto, with the money on the exchange. It's your money. Take it right out if you want. It doesn't matter. You can come in via either Telegram or Discord, either of the links, but stop wasting time. We are up over 300% in that trading group. It is absolutely insane right now. Hey, little flashback, May 1st. I told you where we were going. I keep records. Good morning, I said. Bitcoin's going to hit 100,000 in the first week of May. Can we get a moment of silence, please? Freaking nailed it, boy. Nailed it. Look, let me zoom in. Look, up. What's that price level? Right? Nope. $100,019 is what we hit. It's the 8th. All right. I said it on the first week. Come on. Come on, huh? Cut me some slack. Pretty freaking close if you ask me. I think if we timestamped it from when this tweet came out, 6:47, and we did 7 days, that it actually fell within the first 7 day time frame. But bada beam, bada boom. Rip has been on fire this bull cycle. And we get this, President Trump this morning, he's dropping a bombshell. America's golden era is loading. This is going to be legendary. Share this if you are ready for a comeback. Folks, he kind of hinted out there some major trade deal is coming. I believe it was like 10 a.m. or 10:30 that this is going to come out. Then from the XRP right now, my crypto news website, folks, we fully launched this thing. I believe it was on Tuesday of this week. If you are looking for all your XRP, all your Ripple news, all your TA, everything in regards to XRP and Ripple in one place, this is it. There's about 20-something articles per day that go up. It's a beautiful, beautiful website. It's super quick on mobile. So you're sitting there, you're doing your business, pull it up, go read an article. You can see all the latest news, your must-reads, your news on the left, your TA on the right, all the latest Ripple XRP news here down below. You can see, look, as of this morning, 3, 6, 9, that's 9. Let's see, there might be more. 10, 11 articles already as of this morning covering the news anywhere from the SEC to midterm buys to XRP charts and breakouts. I want to go over this article right here because this is talking about where XRP currently is and how we're looking. It states currently XRP is trading well above the $2 threshold, reflecting strong market sentiment and ongoing attempts to challenge resistant levels. However, the token has repeatedly encountered selling pressure around the $2.35 mark, forming a stubborn resistance barrier. On the other end, support near the $2 level remains intact, placing XRP in a tightly compressed range where neither buyer or sellers have managed to take control. The performance of larger cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, hovering near historical highs, adds to speculations that altcoins, including XRP, might be on the brink of significant movement. Analysts are highlighting this setup as a possible precursor to a broader bullish trend, provided that XRP can break above its current ceilings, which is sitting at $2.35. According to Martinez, the levels to watch are $2 and $2.26. Remember, we showed you that chart where GSR put out that resistance level out of nowhere, sitting at 220 to 226. So Martinez is like, we get above 226, it's going to be go time. A breakout above or below could be set the tone for XRP's next move, be it towards new territory or returning to consolidation. Still, market uncertainty looms. Ongoing geopolitical frictions, particularly those involving economic tensions between the US and China, continue to influence risk appetite across asset classes. Despite these headwinds, XRP's technical formation remains strong, and surpassing 235 as resistance, we could see momentum building up and a breakout to the upside. There you go. So it says if we go to push between 226 and 235, get ready, 250 comes next. Then we got a little bit of resistance between 250 and 272. If 272 gets broken, we got 282 to $3 more resistance. Look, exciting times ahead once we get above $3. Trust me on that. Then we get this. Ripple CTO states that institutional XRP adoption will pave the way for a massive breakout. Let's talk about this. So David Schwartz shaking up the space once again with his statements. He's not buying into the hype and the retail-driven interest here. It is the key to mass adoption. He is saying that he's putting his full weight behind a groundbreaking vision where institutions, not retail, will lead the charge. And I tend to agree, especially ETFs, especially this hidden road acquisition that we still need to get sign off on. Why does it all matter? Simple. The shift in thinking could be the catalyst that pushes crypto into its next phase. We've all been waiting for mainstream adoption, but Schwartz is making it clear. It's not about getting grandma on the blockchain. It's about embedding blockchain within the infrastructure that already moves trillions, every single day. Without integrating blockchain into the core infrastructure of the financial system, retail adoption will remain aspirational. It's about connecting the dots between the existing institutions and new tech, which will bring the financial revolution we all been waiting for together. And he states in here that the missing piece of infrastructure for global finance, he's like, it's a massive challenge. The solution won't be to build it separate, isolated blockchain systems for the underbank. Instead, the goal is to integrate the digital asset system directly into the existing system. And he's correct. Take what we have out there, put the tech into that. People won't even know that they are using the tech, but it will improve and enhance everyone's life. He states that Ripple's growing at a rapid pace, over 40 central banks and major payment providers. This all matters because institutional adoption, it's the game changer according to Schwartz. With Ripple's growing ecosystem, XRP is no longer just a speculative asset. It's the backbone of a new financial system. Ripple's recent acquisition of Hidden Road and its partnership with major global institutions prove that XRP is being positioned as a critical tool for institutional use. And we can't forget about RLUSD in here as well. So what's next, folks? It's simple. The next phase of crypto adoption is coming this year. The true mainstream adoption of blockchain and digital assets, it's not coming from retail. And I've said this before, and I said this time and time again, retail is not moving these markets. The institutions will move these markets, and they will take over the entire cryptocurrency space. And with XRP, with its unique capabilities and strategic positioning, guess what? It's ready to lead the charge, silently powering the financial system of the future. And I use this analogy all the time, but you don't know how email works, and you don't care how email works. You just care that you send an email and someone gets it in about 2 seconds anywhere in the world at any point during the day. Money should work the exact same way. I'm going to leave it like that. Look, I'll catch y'all on the next one. Wash your damn hands, be nice, and be kind to each other. Ripple Van Winkle is out.